Here's how to change the fender on a F350 2020. There's bolts at the top, are fairly easy to get out. There's one hidden one right up here. You gotta pull up where the antenna is. Behind the door, there's one at the top. There's nothing behind here. There's one hidden back here. You gotta take out all these ones. So I ripped this off and I broke it. So don't take this off. What's behind it is a whole bunch of glue. So I had to pull pretty hard to pull that off. So yeah, that's what it looks like without a fender. Step next is to remove this from the old fender and add it to the new fender. We're just going to take some glue, put it along this edge, and glue it onto that.